Hello viewers, in this lecture we'll be talking about the power dissipation in resistor. So basically the word power dissipation explains itself. That means release. Energy loss in a circuit is called power dissipation. That means that release of energy is basically power dissipation. Let's understand how. Just suppose that you have a circuit and now just suppose that this orange ball is the electric current flowing from the positive terminal to the bulb. Now when it will reach the bulb, it will cause the bulb to glow. Now when the bulb will glow, there would be some kind of the energy loss in the form of the heat energy. Now this loss is called power dissipation. Now the ball, or we can say that electric current, will reach the negative terminal of the circuit. Now from here we learn that the electrical energy is transferred into the light energy, and that is known as power dissipation. Power dissipation in a resistor can be measured by the potential energy, because we know that the energy that is stored in a circuit is basically potential energy. Now potential energy is U equal to the volt, that is basically potential difference, and charge. Product of potential difference and charge is known as potential energy, and power dissipation in 1 second is known as the measurement. The power dissipation in 1 second is known by the T, and when we'll equate these both equations, so it will be a new equation like this. Now we know that here the Q per T is equal to the electrical current. So we'll basically write it in the form of the I. So here the equation will be something like this. P is equal to, where P shows as the power dissipation. Power dissipation is equal to product of the potential difference and the electric current. And we know that potential difference is equal to volt and electric current is equal to the ampere. So here volt and ampere is equal to the watt. So the unit of measuring power dissipation is watt. And that's all about today's lecture. Thank you.